What's up, everybody?
Hi, guys.
We're here in Frankfurt am Main's Festplatz, attending the largest fair and the most popular Easter event here in Germany.
And we want you to join us on this episode of
We Keepin' It Moving.
Whether you call Germany home or you're just visiting, coming to a festival like this is one of the best ways to experience this country's culture. With over 10,000 events throughout the year in Germany, you have plenty of opportunities to get out of the house and get you a good Flatbus.
This event is known for a lot of rides and attractions, and we're gonna go on some right now, especially some of the popular ones like Alpine Bahn. Price for pretty much an event. It's about €6 per person. It won't be that bad. You got it, baby. You've been on worse.
I don't like drops.
It's not good drops. Just look at it as a dip. It's just a ride. Sheesh. Sorry if the footage was shaky, it was hard. It was hard to keep it tight, I'm sorry. We highly recommend Alpine Bahn. It is a good one.
If you don't like drops, don't do it. No.
Drift zone bumper cars.
You're at a festival, you know that you have to do the bumper cars.
Those are the prices for bumper cars.
Hello,
Not bad.
it's me.
When you get your token and everything stops, you have to go out as fast as you can because it's like first come, first serve. So if you're not fast enough and everybody takes it, you'll be sitting here like us waiting for the next round. Yeah. All right, go, go, go.
Gotta be aggressive.
Yeah. Victim number 3.
Man, way too many people.
Hey, there goes baby. That's what I want right there. Woo!
I don't like it.
Oh my God. What's up? Oh, finished. Good job, man. Good job. That was a lot of fun. Disco Express. So Disco Express is pretty much just going around in a circle. So fast. So fast. One chip is €4, so that's like one per person. And if you want 3 trips, like for 3 people, it's €10. Oh, there you go. All right, so we have, look at all this space here. We have all this space here, and we're gonna see all the space when the thing starts going. This is easy. This is nothing.
A few minutes later.
Look at all this space! Oh my god! Disco Express is a good one. It's actually a good beginner's ride. What do you think? Yeah, it goes pretty fast. It's not like too heavy, but it's just the speed pushes you. So
Wave after wave after
yeah,
Wave after wave.
it was fun. The music, the hype, it was pretty good. We give it about what?
7.
7 out of 10.
After all that screaming and spinning, it's time for some food.
So they have a wide variety of food, but we decided to start with some pizza. Finally found it there. So for a slice, it just says about $4.50, around $4.50. So we're about to dig into it and we'll get back to that. We're just waiting right now for people to come give us some cards.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
10, please.
Thank
you.
5 darts, you get 3 euros. For 10, we pay 5. Pretty good deal. Not gonna lie, 5 and 5. So we're gonna make it happen. Let's get it. Very nice. All right, baby, make it happen. Let's see what you got. Oh, they go 1.
What?
2. 3.
And I'm missing 1.
Nice.
Big time.
Here you go. 2. 3.
So we're even pretty much. Do we get anything with 3? We do get some. Thank you. Let me see. Aw, that's so cute.
So for 3 balls, it's $3.50. For 9 balls, it's 10. We're gonna go 3 balls. Ain't paying all that money and all that. Check it out. Very nice.
Better get it.
Gotta get it. Oh. It's all right, baby.
Is it?
7 years. Picture.
All right. He doesn't have time for this, baby.
Oh, everybody's waiting. Oh, my man.
Cute. We got plastic flowers. You want one, baby?
Yeah, I want that chocolate banana over there.
Chocolate banana.
So chocolate banana here is about €3.50. Most of the food here is about 3 to 4 or 5 euros. Fast food is expensive, you know, but it's good. I mean, come on, you're at the fest, you gotta splurge a little bit and get a little bit of food.
You ready?
Delicious, huh? Cheers.
Cheers.
Wish it was a little bit colder.
Yeah, it could have been a little colder.
If it was a little bit colder, it'd be amazing.
And the banana is a little bit soft inside. But it's not bad. It's good.
Not bad.
Chocolate and fruit. Come on.
Come on, you're good. Hey, thank you for checking out this video and coming with us as we experienced Dippemess. It was really fun. Unfortunately, we can't show you everything. You should come out and come see it if you're in the Germany area. This fest is going to leave on the beginning, or not on, but at the beginning of May. So hurry up and come down here. It's worth it.
If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see us doing more of this kind of videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a video.
Till the next time, we keeping it moving.